Hello, I'm going to review Motion App 2025. Is this the best AI productivity tool? So Motion is an AI-powered calendar and task planner that auto-schedules your to-dos into available time slots, syncing with Google Outlook calendars and offering Pomodoro timers, daily overviews, and team features. Pros: it intelligently blocks time for tasks and adapts schedules dynamically around meetings, helping users reduce planning friction. One G2 reviewer said it ensures they never get caught without knowing what to work on. Cons: users on Reddit find the UI cluttered, lacking in manual scheduling flexibility. For example, can manually schedule maddening and feel it's overpriced with frequent paywall-induced feature gating. So in conclusion, Motion AI scheduling can boost productivity for those who trust an algorithmic planner, but its steep learning curve, occasional glitches, high cost, and limited manual control mean it may disappoint users seeking more customization or better value.